Have you ever wondered why certain Quranic letters sound the way they do, or why correct pronunciation is so important in Tajweed? The answer lies in something called the Makharij of the letters. In this video, I will simplify the concept so you can recite the Quran with clarity and confidence. Stay with me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Quran with Tajweed. Today we are diving into one of the most essential lessons in Quranic recitation, the Makharij of letters or articulation points. By the end of this video, you will not only understand them, but you will also be able to apply them in your own recitation, InshaaAllah. Segment 1. What is Makharij? The word Makharij comes from the Arabic word kharaja, meaning to exit. In Tajweed, Makharij al-Huruf means the specific point in the mouth or throat from which each letter is pronounced. Example, just like every key on a keyboard produces a different letter when pressed correctly, each Arabic letter comes from a specific place in your mouth when recited. Why it matters? A small mispronunciation can change the meaning of a word in the Quran. Segment 2. The 5 main Makharij. There are 5 main areas where letters are pronounced. 1. Al-Jawf, the empty space of the mouth and throat. Letters Alif, Waw, Ya. Sound flows from the throat and mouth with no blockage. Example, Qala, Qala. Number 2. Al-Halak, throat. Divided into 3 parts. Upper throat, Ghain Kha. Middle throat, Ain Ha. Deep throat, Hamza. Number 3. Al-Lisan, tongue. Most letters come from here, subdivided into 10 plus areas. Example, top and back of tongue plus soft palate, Qa. Middle tongue, Jim, Sheen, Ya. Tip of tongue plus upper teeth, Noon, Ra, Lam. 4. Ash-Shafatan, the 2 lips. Letters Ba, Mim, Waw, Fa. Example, try saying Ma, Fi, Ma, Fi. 5. Al-Khashum, nasal passage. For Gunna sounds with Tanween or Shadda, Mim and Noon. The sound resonates in the nose. Example, Inna, Inna, Inna. Segment 3. Common mistakes and tips. Mistaking Law with Za. Mixing up Sin and Sod or Dal and Dod. Tips. Always use a mirror and record yourself. Practice with a qualified teacher or follow along with Qari recitations. Use your fingers to feel where the sound is coming from. Segment 4. Simple exercise. Let's do a quick exercise together. Letter Makharij, example word. Okay. Qala, tongue, back tongue. Qaf. Ain, middle throat. Alima. Ba, lips. Bait. Noon, nose plus tongue. Noorun. Practice reading Qala Rabbi sharah li sadri. Focus on each sound carefully. 5th segment, Hadith on correct recitation. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, the best of you are those who learn the Quran and teach it. Sahih al-Bukhari. Tajweed and Makharij are part of honoring the Quran. When we recite it properly, we're fulfilling a sacred trust. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quran with Tajweed for more simple and authentic lessons every week. Comment below if you like a PDF guide or worksheet on Makharij. I will be happy to send it out. Jazakumullahu khair.